کیونکہ آپ اگر آپ سیاست کے اندر آپ لوگوں کے کام نہیں کر پائیں گے, اور ایسے اگر آپ 90 کام کر لیتے ہیں اور 100 میں سے 10 کام آپ کے نہیں ہوتے, لوگ آپ کو گالیاں دیں گے.
So you're saying کہ at the end of the day it is about the individual جو دوسروں کے مسئلے حل کر سکتا ہے.
That's what it is, because the thing is سیاست کے اندر بھی کاروبار کے اندر بھی آپ یہ ایک مسئلے کا حل ہی
سنگل مسئلہ حل کر رہے ہیں,
اس کے لیے obviously you're getting paid for it. Hopefully
سے پیاس لگ رہی ہے, میرا مسئلہ پیاس ہے اور میرا بزنس جو ہے پانی کا ہے, تو you're solving my need for thirst. اسی طرح سیاست میں پرابلمس کی ورائٹی زیادہ ہے,
exactly,
لیکن وہ جو عام آدمی ہے وہ کس کے پاس جائے اس مسئلے کو حل کرنے کے لیے, رائٹ.
hence why generally لوگ یہی فیڈ بیک دیتے رائٹ کہ یا وہ سیاستدان اچھا ہے کیونکہ وہ اپروچیبل ہے, یا وہ سیاستدان بہت خراب ہے کہ وہ مجھے صحیح طرح ہاتھ بھی نہیں ملاتا. تو اگر آپ اینڈ یو کانٹ فیک, ایز اے سر میں پہلے بھی آپ یہی میں نے بات مینشن کی کہ یو کی ناٹ فیک دیز تھنگز اباؤٹ یو. if you're not a people's person, if you're not patient enough to hear people rant out their problems to you, be it politics or even business for that matter, it's not for you. You need to have that thick skin to deal with people quitting their jobs at your firm. You need to deal with people backstabbing you in politics, and I've seen that happen, right? Like I've seen it happen to my father plenty of times. I've experienced it myself. One fine day your star performer gets up and leaves because he has a better offer from someone else, and you being an entrepreneur yourself, I'm sure you go through it every single day.
So I'll ask this question. You've seen it. You've probably seen it in your business as well. I get this question asked a lot of times. Hey, why do you trust people when you know they're going to screw you over? My response has always been, as long as I'm screwed over only 49% of the times and I win 51% of the times, I'm net positive.
Yeah.
Right? So why not keep trying? And you know what the funny thing is, abhi 2 din pehle wo social media pe chal raha hai, Federer ne koi speech di hai apni commencement,
Dartmouth commencement speech hai,
usme he said I only won 54% of the points of all my matches. theek hai, and by winning 54% of the points he's become the number 1 tennis player. So technically his odds were only 4% greater than random chance. Right? And so all I'm saying is that chance is what typically chance is what you bet on. If you're 2 to 3% greater the chance, or even 1%, you're a winner.
Yeah, it's worth the bet.
It's worth the bet. Yeah. But does the same apply in politics? Because in entrepreneurship, my life is not at stake. Yeah. I lose my money. But in politics, especially in Pakistan, logon ki zindagiyan stake pe hoti hain. Yeah. Is it worth the bet? Is my question.
Is it worth the bet?
Of trusting in people in politics.
Yeah. It's a very interesting question because look, at the end of the day, the goal has to be bigger than yourself, right? At the end of the day, what matters to you is does the end goal really drive you enough for you to deal with such evasiveness or with such deception? Because again, like I'm sorry to like constantly bring up my dad's example in this case, but literally in the last so many years, especially 2012 onwards, when I saw my father struggle very badly in politics. I don't know if you know much about the recent past in terms of what happened in Lyari. The Lyari gangs,
Aman Committee.
Yeah, the Aman Committee coming into the picture, politically replacing my father essentially, and a lot of my father's close companions, they essentially backstabbed him.
Who brought the Aman Committee in?
So Aman Committee, it was a consortium in business terms.
Who's part of that consortium?
یہ آپ کے لوکل ادھر کے جو لوکل گینگز ہی تھے, انہوں نے کہا یار کہ ہم لوگ اتنے عرصے سے ایک دوسرے کے جان کے پیچھے پڑے ہوئے, رائٹ, ہم لوگ آپس میں بیٹھتے ہیں ایک ہی ٹیبل پہ اور اپنی جو پرانی رنجشوں کو بھلا کر لوگوں کی عوام کی بہتری کے لیے کام کرتے ہیں.
That's what the Aman Committee said.
That's what the Aman Committee said. Sounds like a political statement. Yeah. But that's what it was. It was essentially like
it was a local thing.
It was a local thing.
کسی اور کا ہاتھ نہیں تھا اس پہ political parties کا.
وہ تو we'll talk about that in a bit. I mean, I don't know if we'll go completely off track. We started opening up that Pandora's box. But یہ ہے کہ obviously اس طرح groups without political support, without the establishment support, اس طرح کے جو
there was establishment support and there was political support and the People's Party
to a certain extent
was in power then. But you see, this is my point, is why